Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to spike the ball in Madden NFL 27. There are a couple of different ways you can do it depending on what situation you are in. The first method is to choose a spike play directly. From the play selection screen, go to play type, then select special and move over to clock management. From there, choose spike ball and the game will automatically set you up to spike the ball and stop the clock. The other option is to do it immediately after a normal play, which is useful when you are trying to save time and don't wanna go through the play selection menus. For example, let's say you just finished a running play and the ball carrier is down. As soon as the play ends, press and hold the B button on Xbox or hold circle on PlayStation. This will put you into a no huddle situation and your quarterback will get ready to spike the ball. Now just press A to snap the ball and your quarterback will spike it, stopping the clock. So if you need to quickly stop the clock in Madden 27, you can either select spike ball from the clock management place or use the no huddle option after a regular play. And that's all there is to it. It's really simple. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.